History calls him the father of the factory system, but his rivals called him a liar and a thief. Meet Richard Arkwright. In the 1760s, he wasn't an engineer, he was a wig maker and a barber. He patented the water frame, a massive machine that spun cotton faster than humanly possible. But here's the twist, Arkwright didn't actually build it. He hired a watchmaker named John Kay to do the work. In a legendary court battle, it was revealed he likely stole the design from another inventor, Thomas Hayes. His greed sparked fury. In 1779, an angry mob burned his massive Burkaker mill to the ground. He won his riches by employing 7-year-old children for 13-hour shifts in his prison-like mills. Arkwright lost his patents in court, but he kept his fortune, forever changing how the world works. Was he a pioneer or just a lucky businessman? Weigh in below.